I crawled out from under the rock where I once died. My last memory was rough, times were tough, constantly cold inside. Prayers went unanswered, although I begged and cried. A phase of long suffering before I finally closed my eyes. Suicide, but I've always valued life despite the pushbacks of my stride. Homicide, was my life taken away and my future denied? I woke up with a stirred sense of actuality, not knowing if I simply slept or experienced a tragedy. Familiar faces were of a distant memory, but mutual acknowledgement confirmed our history. I recognized them more than they did me. They looked the same but didn't know my name, my existence deemed a mystery. Holographic projections, never physically. They watch my rebirth through a screen of virtual reality.